Hello friends, we are going to start the series of Write Byte 1, 2 and 3. So please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. First of all, fill in the blanks first. First generation computers used vacuum tubes to process data. Second, a microprocessor consists of circuits. Third, a digital computer can carry out a set of instructions in sequence. 4. Supercomputers are fastest computers. 5. Charles Babbage is the father of modern digital computers. B. State whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statement to make them true. First one is information is obtained when raw data is processed. True. 2. Mini computers are faster than mainframes. That is false. Mainframes are faster than mini computers. 3. The Leibniz calculator was the first machine used to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. True. Number 4. Robots are controlled by computer. Yes, true. 5. Transistors were less efficient than vacuum tubes. No, it's false. Transistors were more efficient than vacuum tubes. C. Select the correct option for each question. Number 1. Which of the following were used in second generation computer? Option C. Transistors. 2. Robots are classified as fifth generation technology. Option D. Number 3. Which of the following is the form of discrete data? Option B. Number of students in class. 4. Embedded computers are also called option C. Dedicated computers. 5. The first stage in data processing is option A. Input. D. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is computer? What is the difference between data and information? Answer. A computer is an electronic machine that processes data and converts it into information. Data consists of raw facts and figures, whereas information contains meaning. Data on its own has no meaning. Data only become information after being processed and taking on some meaning. A series of numbers like 4, 11, 18, and 25 is data. It becomes information when we know that they are the dates on which Sunday falls in a particular month. Question number 2 is write a brief note on the different generation of computers. Answer. First generation computers 1942 to 1955 used vacuum tubes to process data. Some computers of this generation were ENIAC, EDVAC, and EDSAC. These computers were very bulky and unreliable. Second generation computers 1956 to 1964 used transistors. Transistors were smaller and more reliable than vacuum tubes. These computers were smaller, faster, cheaper, and more reliable than first generation computer. Third generation computer 1965 to 1975 uses integrated circuits. Computers become smaller, portable, faster, and cheaper. They also needed less power than earlier computer. Fourth generation computers use microprocessor. A microprocessor or microchip is a tiny thin wafer of silicon Several electric circuits can be printed onto a microchip. Microchips are widely used in video games, pocket calculators, cash register, washing machines, and other devices. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. They can make decisions on their own and understand things in the same way as human beings. 3. List 3 advantages of using computers for weather forecasting instead of manual system. 3 advantages of using computer for weather forecasting instead of manual system are given below. First, computer can process weather data for a great number of years than a manual system. 2. Computers can give more precise result than a manual system. Computer can process weather data faster than the manual system. Are extensively used. Computers are extensively used in the following places: number 1 office, number 2 factories, number 3 airport, number 5 banks and hospitals. Question number 5 is: beside the each of the following data that is being measured or counted, state whether the device is analog or digital. First one is weather vane, data, wind direction and type of device analog. A mercury thermometer, temperature analog. A calculator, mathematical operation digital. Write a paragraph to answer the following question. Explain the major development in data processing from first generation to fifth generation. From the first generation to fifth generation, data processing has become more efficient and convenient. The processing capacity of computers has increased from one generation onward. The vacuum tube had limited processing capacity, but they were replaced by transistors, ICs, microprocessors. The storage capacity has also increased over the generations. Explain how technology could change the following in the coming decade: education and shopping. In the coming decade, technology could change education through mobile devices. Students will be able to listen to lectures and complete assignments on mobile computers such as laptops, smartphones. They will not have to be present in the class at all time. This will help to spread education in rural areas. Technology will make shopping more convenient because people will make online purchases. What is the significance of Charles Babbage's contribution to the development of computer technology? Charles Babbage's contribution is a landmark in the computer technology because he provided the blueprint for future developments in the field. This work on the analytic and difference engine developed the electronic computer to take shape. These machines showed how calculations and data processing could be carried out through programming an electronic machine.